Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming exactly why live access was suspended. Check your TikTok inbox and account settings for the stated violation and timestamp. Once done, verify phone and ID are linked and up to date, because missing verification often blocks live features. Make sure to capture screenshots of the suspension notice and any error codes. You'll use them when contacting support or submitting an appeal. Save all evidence, clips, chat logs, and timestamps into a single folder for the next steps. You now craft a formal appeal through Report a Problem focused on live, choose the precise category and attach those screenshots and your ID. Explain clearly, in neutral language, what happened and why your content complied with community guidelines. Include a concise timeline of events and links to the affected videos. Once submitted, note the ticket ID and expected response time. While waiting, prepare a short, polite follow-up message and gather any moderator messages or viewer statements that support your case. You finish by actively managing the appeal. Follow up after 72 hours using your ticket ID and escalate through the app if there's no reply. Persistence matters. Meanwhile, pause any content that could be flagged and recheck account security. Change passwords and enable two-factor authentication, because account safety speeds reinstatement. If your appeal is denied, add new evidence, correct misunderstandings, and submit a revised appeal. If necessary, seek community forums or creator support for template messages and additional escalation paths.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.